stop playing with him.
Jadavinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jadavinci. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I got my hair, my makeup, and my outfit. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little get ready with me for the day. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. It means the world to me. Your support literally means so much to me. So yeah, thank you guys again, and let's start! But yeah, today I'm gonna just do a quick little transformation. The wig that we're gonna be wearing for the day is this one. You guys have seen it in plenty of tutorials. It's my Cupcake beauty bar wig. So I have a water bottle here that I'll be using. I wish I had like a squirt bottle, but I don't. But yeah, how have you guys been? I feel like it's been a minute. We're about to hit 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 supporters, really, not even subscribers. You guys are supporting, you know, a lot of you guys, I check out you guys' channel, and you guys are making beauty videos of your own, and that's so awesome. I'm watching, I'm looking at you guys too. It's really cool, it's fun, it's just a whole lot of fun. You guys have seen me do this plenty of times. Plenty. The got2b glue that I will be using for the day are these two yellow ones. They're perfect, they're easy, perfect for beginners, and you're gonna also need a rat tail comb. We're gonna just go in with a bit of this yellow got2b glue gel. More on our face than anything, okay? All right, so we're gonna just spray a bit of hairspray, and we let it get tacky again. Probably gonna do something with yellow vibes or something. I'll probably use my full spectrum palette today because it's got a whole lot of stuff. Now we're about to do our makeup. With ginger for our base, really even wear eyeshadow, but let's zoom in some so y'all can see what's going on. We're currently putting down a base, and we're just using the NARS Soft Matte in the color Ginger. I wish I had my custard somewhere on deck because it will be a whole lot brighter. All right, so the yellow that we're gonna go down with first, we have a whole lot of brush choices, which I'm so excited about. The yellow that I guess I'm gonna start off with is this yellow out of Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And you really gotta like rub your brush in there. Rub your brush on there to really pack that color in. And I didn't set my eye. Ooh, talk about fallback. This color is getting everywhere. Okay, let's just make both eyes even. When is the last time you guys see me actually put on eyeshadow? Yellow is definitely one of my favorite colors. I'm actually looking for a yellow couch for my beauty room. I really like yellow. It makes me happy. So after that, I think I'm gonna just go in with this more neon-y color yellow. It's like super yellow. Just blend out the edges a bit more. This palette is not chalky. That pastel goth, like if I was going in with that yellow would ruin this whole makeup look, and that like really sucks. Let me know what you guys think of the background. Oh, it's a yellow flower. I didn't even see it. Don't even really know how I got it, but it's so cute. Can you guys see our yellow, the Calvera shade? And I'm gonna dust it all over my eye. Put a bit of Calavera over there. So I just have been going back and forth blending that puree in. It looks nice. As you guys can see, you can see a bit of a difference. Going in with more of a diffusery type of brush from BH Cosmetics. It's like a stippling blending brush, and that's what I'm like. What? Talk about what has never happened. It just started sliding and slipping, and we're gonna just aim to make them the same. I am going to take a brush because we have brushes today, and we'll just pack that Adorn shade on first. So we're gonna go in with Adorn first. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush. Alright, so I'm gonna just go in with a bit of that fudge from the Subculture palette, darken up our outer corners. Alright, so let's see if we're gonna go in with an even glittery shade. I think I'm gonna go with Smoldering Satin, because why not? Let's go in with a slight glitter.
My bitch drive a all white rank. Couldn't hit it if you niggas had ain't. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the shine.
Gucci flip flops, fuck it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock. Pull the 6 out, wintertime, dropping the top. Give it to they pussy.
We're gonna take our brown tattoo liner and make a dramatic wing. So we're gonna do the brows, then we're gonna finish off the face. Okay, so brows are a bit thick. So we've got our lashes on. I didn't put on mascara. I'm gonna do all that stuff last. Yeah, we're gonna go with the Rihanna primer first.
Yeah, yo. Yeah, yo. Moon la la. Yeah, yo. Bitch better have my money.
And I've actually been really digging this primer, the Rihanna one, so might have to take off the scarf. I know. Try not to really pay the hair any attention. I know. So we're gonna, of course, go on with the Kat Von D. This is what I've been using to do my makeup, and I've actually been really enjoying it. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. I'm gonna put it all over my face. So I do want a full, flawless coverage. Then we're gonna blend it out, okay? So here we are, wiping it. So if you have a problem putting on your foundation, I would recommend you do it like this. But now, we're gonna just blend in that foundation. Oh guys, and I finally found my powder. Like, what? We're gonna use our handy dandy Tarte. I've actually been loving to use this. Been having no issues. So we're gonna just put it down. We're gonna blend it out now. Dab that setting powder under our eye. This is my favorite powder, guys. Hands down, ever. Uh-oh. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. Got a ton of fallout. When I say a ton, you say fallout. A ton fallout. Jesus, we got fallout everywhere. We're gonna go in with our handy Cover FX powder. You guys know we love it. I love it. You know I love it. We'll just go in with this little brush. See what we got. Oh, we got a bit of pink today. Okay, hair time.
Come on, baby, it's typical. Every day, one night thing. It's physical. I'm a love for the night.
Cover FX. You guys are gonna instantly see the difference it'll make. Now it's starting to look like more of a part. And you can do this too. The powder helps it to look more like a blurred effect, so you can really not see those grids in your lace. So I'm just using that argan oil and water. And mousse really gives you that wet look pretty much all day. So you guys see our hair looks a whole lot different. Lay the baby hairs down, but I just like to swoosh that. Baby hairs are really up to you. I know some people don't even like baby hairs. I'm just going in with real edge wax because that mousse wasn't working for me. Now we need our lips and then we're gonna be done. I'm so butthurt, can't find it. We're gonna just go in with this bite in the color Chai. Cause it's too like, do if I leave. Bitch, I'ma do me. Lipstick on my teeth. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.